Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find the driver for unknown device showing in device manager of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Windows 10 or alternate that, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, just search for device manager and just open the device manager, and now you can see here at below unknown device, right? So if I right click on it and if I go to the properties, you can see here it's already showing an unknown device, so we don't know what device it is, right? So for this, you can see here above one tab written as detail. Just click on it, and now just click on this box and just select this hardware IDs. And on the first list, we'll see one alphabetic numbers. Just right click on it and just copy it. And now just open any web browser and just open google.com and just paste it on the search bar and click enter. Now you will see a website related to this number. So you can just go to that website and you can get the driver for the unknown devices. So what unknown driver it was? So it was like Lenovo SCPI driver for Windows. So you can see, so before we don't know what driver it was, so we have clearly known it a Lenovo SCPI driver. In my case, in your case it might be different. So using this method, you can easily find the driver for unknown device showing in device manager of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.